Hi everyone, it's Carrie over at DoubleClick. Today I'm sharing the next entry into my Anything Goes paper crafting challenge. This entry is from Elizabeth over at the Crafty Cricket. Hi Elizabeth, I'm so excited to be receiving this package. Elizabeth and I have swapped Happy Mail in the past, so I'm very excited. She designs amazing projects, and so let's just dig right in. I just opened it up and I haven't taken anything out. She has this beautiful shred. So here we have this so cute bubblegum ball machine. Look at how fun that is. And we have this, oh, happy summer to you too, Elizabeth. This is, I love this green. Green's my favorite color. This is the project, but I'm going to hold off on this and let's just see what else she has shared with me. This was so generous, Elizabeth. Look at this gorgeous stamp, and then we have this super cute heart. I love hearts. This will go into my Valentine's Day stash. He's also shared some fun clear stamps with me. This from Prima. This is a nice journaling stamp set. I have this one also from Prima. This is really nice. This is like the vintage Tim Holtz style. I love these. I love the bicycle. I love this stamp. This is right up my alley. Thank you so much for sharing those with me. I do a lot of traveling and this is awesome. Life is an adventure. It has the compass. Very, very fun. Here we have some mini elements. This is great for planning and I like to use these on my Happy Mail packages. Look at this beautiful die set. I do not have this one. This is a really nice size. It has the background and so much detail. Thank you so much for sharing this one with me. And look at how fun this stamp is. This is one of the tents from Stampin' Up. This is super cute. And I have a scan and cut, and this will cut out great on that machine. So thank you so much for sharing that with me. Elizabeth, thank you so much for sharing all of these extra goodies with me. It's so much appreciated. I will definitely be putting all of these things to good use, and I appreciate it so very much. Our handmade project. All right, here we go. So she has this beautiful large flower clipped here. We're just gonna unclip that. I'm gonna clip this somewhere in my craft room. This pretty ribbon keeping it together. Look at this beautiful dangle on the side. Elizabeth, did you make this? Like, did you add all of these together? This is wonderful. I wish I knew how to do these things. I mean, this is usually how I connect all my stuff because I don't have good vision. So for me to clip little things to these, I am not able to see them. Oh, this is very pretty. And then I love this binder design. It's so nice. And she's decorated it with some pom-pom trim here on the side. And then it has this beautiful lemon theme, and you know, if you guys have been watching my channel for a while, you know I'm all about the fruit. It's just my go-to projects. Thank you for sharing these. She said she created these pages just with 12 by 12 sheets of paper, and that's amazing. This first page, she has shared this cute margarita sticker set from Doodle Pops. This is so fun, so cute. I love this paper. This handmade fabric clip. This is such a great way to use up your fabric scrap. Foam flowers, some of them are glittered, very pretty. And then she has these little bows attached here, which I am just going to add right into my bow collection. Super cute, summer themed, bright yellows, how fun. I love all of these. On this side we have another die. Wow, this is an amazing tree. Look at how nice and big that is. I don't have anything like this, so thank you so much. On the side she shared some doilies. These are all wonderful. I love doilies. Thank you so much. This project is just amazing. So many details, such gorgeous paper. And over here she has shared some fruit stickers. Love those. And this little label, so cute. Over here she has shared some little puffy stickers. And I believe this is to the Amy Tan collection. And I have this paper pad, so I'm going to put that with my collection. That's great. Look at how cute these puffy stickers are. On this side, she has shared some cut aparts. And these are so cute, so fun.
Great to have these into my stash. I love them.
On this side, we have some cute stickers. These are going to go into my planner area. I love stickers. She's made these bottle caps. These are strawberries. I love this one. These are beautiful. Thank you. And look at these big gems. Those are so big. I don't think I have ones that are that large. That's very nice. Here she has shared some papers. These are so summer fun. Look how cute that is. Ooh, I love that one with the black background. Look at these puffy stickers. These are so cute. We have another fabric clip here. She has shared these bows with me. Elizabeth, did you make these? These are so cute. I'm going to put those all in my bow drawer. And then she shared some rosettes and a wood veneer. Over here we have some cut aparts.
These are super. I love these. These are so cute.
She shared this beautiful sequin mix. Over here we have some of these fruit stickers.
Cut aparts. These are great for layering. I love them all. So cute.
Elizabeth, you're so generous in sharing all of these supplies. I appreciate your support so much. I'm looking forward to swapping with you again in the future. Oh, and then we have one of these car coasters. Thank you for sharing that with me. All right, guys, that is the entry from Elizabeth over at the Crafty Cricket. I will link her channel in this video. Elizabeth, I have your 2 tickets because you did do a VR. Let's write that out real quick. Okay, Elizabeth, there's your 2 entries. Here's my glass jar, and your 2 entries are going right inside. All right, thank you guys so much for stopping by. I hope you all have a great day. Bye.